So, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today, I'll describe about the shortcut key of Solidworks software. আজকে আমাদের টপিকস হচ্ছে সলিডওয়ার্কস সফটওয়্যারের শর্টকাট কি সম্পর্কে জানা। তো আমরা এটা সম্পর্কে আজকে বিস্তারিত আলোচনা করব। সো ভিডিওটা আপনারা শুরু থেকে শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখবেন। আশা করি সবাই উপকৃত হবেন। তো আমরা যদি কোনো একটা ফাইল যদি ক্রিয়েট করতে চাই, নিউ ফাইল যদি আমরা নিতে চাই, in that case I have to press the control N from the keyboard. Control N. Okay, control N press, then show the part assembly and drawing. I'm selecting the part. So okay, so done. Then the file is open. If I want to create a file, I'm going to the sketch. I'm taking the rectangle. I'm taking the top plane, and I'm going to sketch. Already I have taken, so I'm sketching rectangle. Suppose done. Then exit it. Then I want to pictures. I'm going to pictures and I select the extruded boss, and I'm taking the extrusion is 0.5 inch. Okay, done. This one is the main object. So I'm selecting this portion. I'm going here, here, and the face. So on. I'm selecting this color or red color. Oh, yeah, this color is better, I think. Okay, done. Then I'm selecting this face. Similarly, going here and paste this one and taking this color. Okay, done. Similar way, I'm going here and selecting this color. So from this right button, I'm selecting this color. Okay, done. And now for this, if I want to show the top plane, top view or front, if I want to show the front view, then I can press the front view for press the control 1, control together, control 1 together. Okay, the front view is showing. If you want to show the back view, then control 2, back view. If you want to see the left view, then control 3. If you want to see the right view, control 4. Okay, control 4. If you want to see the right view, control 4. Okay, and top view, control 5. Okay, this one is the control 5. And if you want to see the bottom view, control 6, bottom view. And if you want to see the isometric view, then control 7. And if you want to see the normal view, then control 8. This one is the normal view. So I think got it. If you want to previous view, in that case control shift Z, control shift Z from the keyboard. This one is the previous view, I mean isometric view. Okay, if you want to see the take snapshot, then in that case you have to press Alt and space bar. Snapshot. Yeah, you are seeing that PS2 minimizes close. You want to close it? Oh no. Okay, done. Then another options, if I want to close this file, in that case we have to press the control W. So control W from the keyboard. Again control W from the keyboard. Here save modifier, no, you want to show the don't save. So save all or don't save. I'm taking the don't save. Okay, it's closed. Now here is the previous object. Now I want to save the file. In that case I have to press the control S from the keyboard. Control S. Okay, it's showing. If I want to change, I can change If I want to don't sense. I mean save as, or you can use this one. So I don't want it. That's why I'm cancel it. Cancel. Then if I want to print, then Control P from the keyboard. Okay. If you want to Microsoft print to PDF, then it will be PDF. If you want to 3D meeting, 3D printing, 3D printing. So I don't want it. That's why I'm close it. Okay. If you want to previous view, then you can use the undo. In that case, you can use this one, or you can Control Z, or you want to redo. In that case, Control Y from the keyboard. Control Y. That means Control Z C. Control Y C. That depends. And if you want to cut this object, in that case, you have to press the Control X and copy, Control C and paste for the Control V. Okay, this one is the main things. And if you want to delete the option, in that case you have to select who is one of delete. Then I'm pressing this one, I'm selecting this one, delete it. That's why you have to press keyboard delete key from the keyboard. Delete and following this icon. Okay, yes, done. And I want to delete this options, then select this one, delete from the keyboard. Yes, this one is the delete. Okay, if you want to find out the help, you want to then you have see the search Solidworks helps. In that case, you can press keyboard H from the keyboard. Okay, you have seen again H. You're watching. Okay, this one is the main things, and another ones. If I'm going to the Control Z. Okay, the object is taken. If I want to see the object in the zoom out, then in that case I have to press the Z only, Z. If I want to zoom in, then control sorry shift Z, shift Z, zoom in, shift Z, shift Z. Okay, only Z, zoom out, and shift Z, zoom in. I think got it. And you want to zoom to fit, in that case you can use the F only, F, or otherwise you can click on this option. Okay, then another if you want to magnifying glasses, you can press the Z for magnifying glasses. Watching the magnifying glasses, I think you are watching. For magnifying glasses, G only you can press. Okay, now escape from the keyboard. Now if you want to show this views in 15 degrees, in that case, I mean you want to rotate this view in 15 degrees, in that case you have to press the arrows, upper one and lower one, upper one or lower one. You are watching, or upper ones and lower ones. You want to show the views in 15 degrees, or if you want to show the views in 90 degrees, in that case you have to press shift and arrow keys, shift and upper one keys or lower one keys. It's showing 90 degrees views, or red or right. Then if you want to show the in the pan view, in this case control arrows. When control arrows, what will happen? See, only one. Okay, important. And if you want to rule view, in that case rule view to normal screens, in that case you have to the ultra left or right. Again you have see control 8, control 8. Okay, then control in that case ultra, then it will be rule, it will be rule ultra and right view, I mean the right arrow. Again ultra left arrow, control 7, then ultra left view, ultra right view. You're watching this view is showing. So user defined toolbars, another tools I'm saying, but I don't want to show it. So in that case, user defined the toolbar, you can press the S, and if you want to hide show display pane, in that case you have to press the F8 and hide show features manager. I mean, this one is if you want to show or hide, in that case F9. If you was the function 9, F9 from the keyboards, F9 from the keyboards. So okay, and another one, the hide show the task pane, in that case control F1. So I think that was the enough. And if you want to close all the windows, in this case Ultra W. If you want to close all these files, in this case you can press close file. In this case you press Control W. If you want to close the whole windows, I mean the close all, in that case you have to press Ultra W. Ultra Ultra W. Okay, close all the windows. You have seen this one, but I don't want it. So I want to close here. You want to close it. Then if you want to, again I'm saying the similarly main options. The if you want to open any object, in this case you have to press the Control O from the keyboard. Suppose I want to do this one. Okay, I'm taking this one. This object is for washing. Okay, this one I have opened. If I want to save is Control S from the keyboard. This one is the already saved. That's why this one is not showing. I want to delete it. Control S. I want to save is Control S. Then it will show. Again, if I want to print it, Control P. Okay. If I want to undo, Control Z. Already I have shown. So I think everybody got it how to shortcut keys is used in SolidWorks softwares. If you have any questions, you can ask. And another things I have already shown that the role view to know how to views any object in SolidWorks software, and how to zoom in, zoom out. I have already shown. Uh, so if you think that you are benefited, please subscribe my channel. It comment, like, comment, and share. And the redesign engineering is always with you. Thank you, everybody.